Today I will share the recipe of Tel Koi from my kitchen. If you like the recipe, please subscribe my channel and like the video. For this recipe, I have taken 6 pieces of koi mach, which is known as climbing perch in English. To marinate the fish, add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon mustard oil. Rub the spices well with the fish on both the sides. Adding oil to the fish while marinating will prevent the hot oil from splattering while frying the fish. Leave the marinated fish for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, let's make the masala paste. In the grinder, add 1 tablespoon jeera, 4 dry chilies, 4 to 5 small cubes of ginger, 1 onion, 1 tomato. Mix it to a fine paste and keep it aside. Now heat 5 tablespoon mustard oil. Once the oil smokes, place the fish pieces side by side and fry them on medium heat for 2 minutes. Flip over and fry the other side of the fish for 2 minutes. Strain the fishes from the oil to a plate. To the remaining oil, add half teaspoon black cumin seed. Keep the flame low. Add the spice paste previously prepared. Start cooking in low flame. Goes in 1 teaspoon garlic paste, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon red chili powder, salt to taste. Mix well and cook for about 5 minutes, stirring in between in medium flame. After 5 minutes, the spices, as you can see, started to leave oil from the edges of the pan. Add 1 cup of water. Mix well. Cover the lid and bring it to a boil. Add the fried fish pieces. Simmer for another 10 minutes on low heat till the oil separates. Add 3 green chilies. Flip the fish pieces in between. So the Tel Koi is ready now and looks so tempting. The gravy is thickened perfectly and the oil is floating on the gravy. Turn off the heat. You can serve it with hot steamed rice. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you can receive all the upcoming updates in my channel. Thank you for watching this video. Till then, bye.